Nothing to see here, just my dirty scat pack. Got a package in the mail. What's good, y'all? It's Teflon Poppy, and today we got a package in the mail from Fifine Audio. Got a USB condenser mic, and we're gonna see how it sounds. Gonna review it, cause it's actually only, it was 30 bucks on Amazon, man. It's not a bad price for a condenser mic, cause most of them cost about 100 bucks. And it's, if you're trying to stay on the budget, this could be perfect for you. For your podcast, for screen record tutorials, like I'm going to be using it for mainly. So shout out to Fifine Audio for sending me this USB mic for free. I get to review it for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, so it comes with a user guide. And I'm surprised this thing actually fit in this box. It's really small. So it comes with the mic. It is made out of metal. It comes with a USB cord, and it also comes with the microphone stand, which is really cool. Well, that wasn't super easy to screw in, honestly. I don't know why it's like that. So it's made out of metal. It's a nice construction. Comes with a USB cord, comes with its own mic stand, your desktop mic stand. All right, guys, so I did a quick little test of the Fifine Audio and the Blue Yeti mic. And honestly, I'm gonna tell y'all something. This costs $30, this costs 100 bucks. And I'm gonna just break down why I like this one. Number one, ease of use, because all you gotta do is plug it in, it sounds good, you just adjust the volume on the front, and that's it. Number two is because of the weight. Like if you have to take this somewhere, or you have to do an interview really quickly, I mean, it's easy to carry. I mean, I don't know, it's really light. This thing is like a brick. It's cost effective, the weight. So, you know, my book bag won't be 800 pounds when I'm traveling with some of my stuff. And honestly, this one sounds better to me personally, just for podcasts. I mean, I just plugged it up to my MacBook really quickly and this one, and just did a little test to see which one. And maybe it's me, maybe I'm wrong, but this one is easier to use. You just plug it in, boom, it sounds good. This one, you gotta play with the gain knob and the pattern knob, whether you want it in mono, stereo, volume. So this one is definitely easy to use, especially for my people that's, you know, not really into music. They just want something for podcasts, or they just want something for screen recordings like my setup here. I definitely recommend this one over this one, and saving money too, because this was 30 bucks, this was 100 bucks. This one was easier to use, it sounds good. Shout out to Fifine Audio for sending me the microphone for free, and I definitely do recommend it for anybody that's looking for a mic for screen recorders or podcasts. It's not always about, you know, how much something costs. It's definitely cost effective, and I definitely recommend it. So thank you to Fifine Audio. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment. Visit my website, teflonpoppy.com, and go cop that MIDI Factory MIDI pack on my website.